Hi, thank you for joining and welcome back. My name is Peter Daalmans, and in this fifth episode of Enterprise Mobility Tips, I will show you a tip around sending notifications. And you are now able to send notifications to your iOS users and Android users. You can send messages up to 500 characters. You can send up to 25 messages an hour, and you can send it to maximum of 25 groups. You are sending those messages to users. And I'm pretty proud of it because this request I've added in 2015 was about the ability to sending push notifications to your mobile users. And in the last 4 years, Microsoft reviewed it, picked it up, and basically ending up creating it and adding to the service. So make sure to test it. So let's go to the Intune portal, and here we see the new Send Custom Notifications blade. We can add a title, we can add a body, and we need to assign it to a group of users. So in this case, we select all demo users, click Next. We can review it before sending it, and we can recreate the custom notification. So let's go to the iPad, which is shown on the left side, and hit sync so we can basically speed up the process, because receiving the message is fully depending on the network, your connectivity. So there are ways to trigger the sync. So if we fast forward this to 11 minutes later, then we will see that the push notification will be shown. And also in the company portal, it will be shown, which is pretty neat. So you can use this for very important notifications for your end users. So thank you for joining me again during this fifth episode of Enterprise Mobility Tips. Here are some links to the Microsoft Docs and two blogs from System Center Dudes and Timmy IT. Timmy IT wrote a blog about schedule custom notifications with Azure Automation. Pretty cool. And make sure you share your tips and ideas via user voice. Microsoft product team is actually looking at this and following up. Thank you for joining me. Follow my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.